GLYSOLID Skin Cream helps to quickly smooth and soften dry to very dry skin on hands, feet, and the body. GLYSOLID is unlike other skin creams and lotions. Many creams and lotions are thin and watery. They absorb quickly, but you have to reapply them many times per day. GLYSOLID is different. It is thick, smooth, and silky. When applied to the skin, GLYSOLID adds a light but noticeable protective layer, locking in your skin's natural oils and moisture. This protection lasts for hours, hydrating your skin and giving it the moisture it craves. Because of this, GLYSOLID is especially effective on the toughest areas of the body. Light creams are almost completely useless on these trouble spots, but GLYSOLID is a skin softener and can restore even the driest skin. GLYSOLID's effectiveness comes from its active ingredients. A high glycerin content plus allantoin work together to draw moisture into the skin, while soothing, softening, and protecting your skin.